Wiring of a water heater circuit.
So the water heater circuit is also a radial circuit because it comes from the consumer unit to DP switch or water heater switch, and then it goes to the water heater, either the water heater cylinder or instant shower heater. So in this case, if you open a consumer unit, we are going to connect our water heater DP switch or water heater switch using a cable rated 4.0 millimeter square. So this is our DP switch. Inside DP switch, you will see the input and an output, or mains and or load, feed and load. So you'll see the neutral, CL and C earth. So the output, of which is also of 4.0 millimeter square, is the one that goes to terminals of the water heater. So you'll see live red, neutral black, and earth green. In some instances, it depends on which country. For example, if you are installing a instant water heater, if it's from Brazil, then you'll see gray for life, again gray for life, and pure green for earth. But remember, it's a coil, so it has got no polarity. So if you see all of them are gray, you can connect any of them to live or neutral because it has no polarity. But some of them comes with a color code, short cables with these colors: red, black, and earth, which is purely green. So this is how we wire our water heater: 4.0 millimeter from consumer unit to water heater switch or DP switch, from the water heater switch 4.0 millimeter to the heater. So if you always complain of your DP switch meter terminals burning, or maybe the cable to your water heater burning, then you know that you've been using a wrong cable. The least size of cable you should use is 4.0 millimeter, not 2.5 or 1.5 you guys have been using. So take care of that.